All right, Master Baker. You warm up?
Hot.
All right.
Fire. Fire.
All right, people. So today, you have Master Baker and Blackie Mango. I do a little competition. The rules, listen up, Master Baker. Calm down. The rules are simple. You have 2 buckets back on. You see it? Look back on. You see 2 buckets?
Yeah.
All right. So Blackie Mango, 1 bucket of you, 1 of Master Baker. When you have 2 sponges in there, when you go use the sponge, dip the sponge in there, run come down here, so, and squeeze out the water and then 2 buckets you have on the table there.
All right.
And the first person who full up them buckle are the winner.
Okay.
Simple rule.
All right.
All right? Master Baker will warm up. So you ready for it?
Ready.
All right. So I'll count to 3 and we can get going.
Okay.
Ready, Master Baker? Ready, Blackie Mango?
Ready.
All right. 1, 2, 3, go. So Blackie, Master Baker, pink.
Come on, Master Baker.
Master Baker moves a stush.
I know.
You're going to lose.
Blackie Mango gonna win. Blackie are gone.
No.
Master Baker, you put it all over the table, man. And I backer.
Right, Master Baker, figure out about the rules. Mr. Squeeze in a buckle, not on the table.
All right. Come on.
Yeah, Blackie Mango move fast, man. And she need a warm up, you know.
Master Baker look tired.
Master Baker, can you warm up too much? You're tired, you know. That's why I gotta wait up the table, me, I tell him.
Blackie smart.
Blackie Mango move smart, eh?
Master Baker neck and neck.
Yeah, go on, eh? She spill half of it. And still full up her bucket. What, Master Baker? Blackie Mango, you know what I'm going. You sponge little.
That's how you gonna ramp.
What? That's a big guy. You don't want to change the color, you know. Yeah, mix the green with the pink. You got to change the color. Blackie Mango, you know what I'm going. Alright, sir.
I know. Master Baker outsmart ya.
Master Baker on the house cleaning. Clean our table and what, Master Baker sponge? Yeah, go on, Master Baker.
Yeah, Master Baker and I lead.
On Blackie Mango, you have ketchup.
Master Baker got this pan lock. Pan lock. Pan lock. Yes. Master Baker. Pan lock. I don't have to rush. I don't have to rush. Master Baker don't lose at nothing. Oh, oh, pink is beautiful. Pink is beautiful. Master Baker, don't have to rush. Hop on. Hop
The baker going like she have it.
That's the baker got it on lock, man. So she not lead, so just I take our time and on course.
Stop, stop, stop. Stop. Stop, stop. 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 Ring, ring, ring. Ring. Yeah. It's like you do the clothes them when you wash them. Ring. Ring, ring. 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 Ring, ring, ring. Let me just wait. Let me just wait. Whew.
Come on, Master Baker.
No competition for Master Baker. None. None, none, none. None. None for Master Baker.
Can you get a little warm up and Master Baker go on with
Master
a
Baker.
PF?
Yeah, where?
Master Baker need to rest. Master Baker upon break time. Break time. Break time. Master Baker's on break.
Master Baker was out there right
Banana. Break time. Break time with Master Baker.
Come on, Master Baker.
Master Baker wants to take a nap. Time for nap.
Don't let up now, Master Baker. Come on.
You got to pan lock, so you eat and go and sleep.
Master Baker.
Still I come back away.
Master Baker better watch out. Like a man gonna stop.
Blackie mango.
Blackie.
Right, till Master Baker sleep. Eh? Master Baker sleep.
Watch Master Baker asleep, man. Master Baker don't know it's a competition, you know. Sure, she just a Master Baker just a relax. So. Master Baker, you better get up. Blackie Mango is doing it. Yeah. Master Baker.
Master Baker, get up.
Master Baker, Blackie Mango almost a finish, you know.
Master Baker fast asleep to backside.
A banana.
What go on with Blackie mango?
Blackie Mango look like in cramp up. What go on with Blackie Mango?
Think she have muscle contractor at it.
Oh, my God.
Alright, Blackie Mango look like in sprain the ankle.
The ankle.
Oh.
Master Baker, call up on Blackie.
Contract. Muscle contract.
Master Baker look there.
Muscle contract. Oh, Lord, help me.
Help our Master Baker.
Contract. Oh. 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 Muscle contract. Oh.
not even helping.
You know, help her, Master Baker.
Master Baker glad so she get Blackie Mango get injured. Come on, Blackie Mango, get up.
Blackie Mango go like she got it for a pot until I say, what's the contract go like?
Help her, Master Baker. Blackie Mango, get up. You make Master Baker come back and win you after having sleep.
Blackie Mango is going to try the winner. You look like we have a winner.
What's really hurting?
Help me, Master Baker! Help me! Help me, Master Baker! Help me, Master Baker!
Help her.
I can't get up no more. My ankle. Win! Master!
Look like we got a winner.
Master Baker come back and win.
Win! So win! So win again. Win again.
Yeah, you win.
Woo! Woo! Yes! These are for you! Mixy. Boom! Test this. Test that.